everybody? It's your boy TitanicFeet Jack back at you again with another video. Today is Air Max Day, so happy Air Max Day to everybody. Let me know how y'all celebrating. Show me what you're wearing on your feet for Air Max Day and tag those photos. Hashtag TitanicFeet Jack. Also hashtag got the shoe game on lock. I'd like to welcome everybody back to the channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I'd like to welcome you to the channel, and I thank you for tuning in. If you would like to continue to follow the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a video here on YouTube. And I need everyone to smash that thumbs up button. It helps the channel get out to more viewers on YouTube, and I greatly appreciate it. So today, I'm going to sit down with you guys and we're going to take a look at some of my favorite Air Max sneakers that are in my collection. It's going to be 6 of them to be exact. And let's get it started. First up, guys, we have the Nike Air Max 1. These are one of my favorite Air Maxes that I have in my collection. These were part of a pack. They also had Air Max 97s came out with this pack. You can see these are very graphic, very detailed. You can see you have writing right here and an extra swoosh. You have Just Do It here on the toe box. You have Just Do It written on the swoosh. Came with a hang tag, Just Do It. And even the laces and writing on it says Just Do It on these laces. I like this sneaker. If you know anything about me, I like the bright, vibrant colors. This is me all day. Yeah, Just Do It right here a couple times. Looking on the medial side, you also have a patch right here as well. And on the heel patch that says Just Do It. So these stood out to me. And this Nike swoosh on the inside is hologram. So this was a very detailed sneaker, very different, and I really like the sneaker, which is why I added it to my collection. And one of my favorite Air Maxes that are in my collection. Another one of my favorite Air Max sneakers in my collection is the Air Max 90 Wuhan Wang. She is the artist from China but resides in Berlin, Germany. These also came out in a pack. The Nike Blazers, it was the Nike Air Force 1 came out in this pack as well. This sneaker is very detailed. I have yet to play feet around, but shortly. We got the summer months are coming up, and it appears that the world is opening back up. We're gonna see how these look on feet, see if I turn a couple heads or two with these. But these are one of my favorite Air Maxes in my collection. Another one of my favorite Nike Air Max sneakers in my collection is the Nike Air Max 90 Chutney. They have this colorway. They also have a black camo colorway. Slept on in my opinion. I really like them. I haven't yet to put these feet to the ground yet, but I will do shortly. The materials on here, I recognize this material here on the toe box. I remember this on a pair of the off-white Fours in the two-tone, like the curry colorway and the brown. White Nike swoosh, and you have that royal blue to top it all off. Man, this is a nice sneaker. You have the exposed tongue, just like on the off-whites. It's definitely a sleeper. I think this sneaker is still sitting in stores. You probably can catch it on the low for right now, but most of the time, I cannot wait for the sneakers to go on sale due to my size, because my size is a very rare situation. But this is one of my favorite Nike Air Max sneakers in my collection. I'm going to go with the top 3 Nike Air Max sneakers in my collection. I'm about to break out the big guns on y'all. These are legendary. Well, one of them is legendary, but these are classics and they are fire, and they're up there on my list of Nike Air Max sneakers. We have the Air Max 95. This is legendary OG sneaker, been around. I remember this sneaker back in high school. I did not get it in high school. All the sneakers I'm showing you guys, I bought them once I became an adult. I didn't have it growing up, but I have it now. And these are classic. Nike Air Max with that Vote. Couldn't tell me nothing when I first got it. And this is not the 2020 release. This, I bought these. These were made in 2010, so I bought these around 2010, 2011. This is the 2010, 2011 release, somewhere around there. Excuse me. But you know the Nike Air Max, man, the 95. These are classic, these are clean, the materials, and this sneaker is holding up pretty well. I've worn this sneaker a bunch of times, man. It's still in good shape. Nike Air Max 95 is number 3. Here's the number 2 sneaker in my Nike Air Max countdown. Nike Air Max Galaxy. Air Max 90 Galaxy. Supernova. I changed the laces in it since release date. These laces, I forgot where I got these laces from. I'm probably gonna have to tag it up above. You got that same material on here like I was describing earlier that came on the Nike Off-White 4s. These are out of the world for me. You got your tag, you got the standard black, and this black. It's not your regular material. It's like a little different vibe. And you got your metallic silver swoosh. And it's just the solar system, the galaxy. I really love these, the details. It's a combination of details and vibrant colors for me. And your standard colors. I really like this sneaker. This is why this is number 2 on my countdown. And the number 1 sneaker on my countdown for Nike Air Max in my collection is Air Max 97, the CR97, the patchwork. This sneaker was very slept on. I have not seen anyone in the surrounding area I live in with these. I'm not sure if people not feeling them, but the details on this sneaker is bananas. You have the patchwork. This sneaker is for the athlete Cristiano Ronaldo. He's a famous football player. Overseas they call it football, but here in America we call it soccer. The patches on here represented the sneakers he had growing up. He had 2 pairs of sneakers, one for school and one to play football, which is soccer. And when the sneakers, his soccer sneakers, had holes in them, his mom would just patch them up. So Nike took that idea and they produced this sneaker. That's why you see the different patches on here. This sneaker is fire. You can see that the Air Max CR97 on here. It also came with a couple different laces. We're going to air card the review up here, because I did do a review on it. So this is a very nice sneaker that I thought was slept on. And this is Air Max 97 silhouette. So comment below, let me know what the top Air Max sneakers is in your collection, and let me know what sneaker you're gonna wear on Air Max Day. Me myself, I'm probably gonna be wearing these, or I'm gonna wear the Air Max 90 Supernova. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in, and like I always tell y'all, if y'all can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get their sneaker, because you never know when it will be